everybody, it's me, Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today, we're gonna be making Aidan's avocado toast. It's perfect for breakfast. Soldier, the ingredients that we're using are olive oil, pepper, salt, a lemon, an egg. Stay tuned for our amazing trick. Avocados and microgreens and honey white bread. Thank you, Aidan, from over there. You're welcome. Now, I'll take away the items. Cutting board, a special avocado cutter, a knife with serrated blades, a flipper. This is what I'm doing this trick with the egg with. A lemon squeezer, a fork, a sifter, a pan, a small plate, and a big plate. And that's all.